Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one before the video starts. I had a weird thing happen this week where somebody handed in a booklet to my Muay Thai coach. Apparently an older gentleman. I don't know who it is, still don't know who it is, and it's kind of wiped me out a bit, but it's on the Masonic lodges, so somebody's obviously watching videos. If you're watching the video, thanks for the booklet. Let me know who you are, or maybe you don't want to let me know who you are, but thanks very much for it. It's a lot of information in it as well. But yeah, look, this is the book. I can show you a bit closer. Just going to check on the camera. I can show. Yeah, okay, so here's the booklet there, and that's what I was given. Fascinating, isn't it? So yeah, I had a read through it, so I think maybe only Freemasons get a hold of this booklet or something. But yeah, yeah, it's kind of weirded me out. Still is weirded me out a bit. But I found out loads of stuff about Masonic lodges, and I might do a video just dedicated to them, because somebody is giving me information that I know on Instagram and stuff. So they're giving me newspaper clippings and all that kind of stuff as well. So I might make a video of it down the line when I get all the lodges and stuff like that. So if you're interested in it, let me know. But yeah, just thought I'd let you know before we go on to today's video. So here's today's video. Enjoy it, and yeah, just you never know who's watching.
So we're just going to head up this way, head up left there now, and head by Jack Meads and go to the old mill. Like last year I was at the old mill, and it was just I discovered it. I don't think I needed that for it, but I just discovered it. But I'll be probably going back to a lot of places I've been to get locations and stuff like that, because you know, different years I can use it for different stuff. So this one's a waterfall. So I'm hoping this one is included, and it's just under the bridge here. So it's a little right turn here. Well, oh, not the right turn here. Speed van here anyway. Thanks for the flash there. There was actually one here last week as well. There you go now. Yo, Gatto vans. Don't know why. Oh, because you used to have the Gattos in them years ago. We used to have a fella lived up the road from us, drove the Gatto van, so we called him the Gatto man. Gotta get a Gatto cake. If you want it freshly baked, you gotta get a Gatto cake. Ha, that's free, by the way. I won't charge you for that song. So it's just in here under the arch. Bit of a tight turn, so you gotta be extra vigilant here. But yeah, handy little spin out here. I'm going to go up here and turn, swing back around then. It's actually a road, so we make sure we're not. Ooh, people picking fruit. Picking the old fruits, bye, how bad? Go home and make a nice fruit pie. So yeah, just in here now. Ooh. GoPro probably won't show it, but it's not even ground, let's say. But yeah, we're here. Park Bonnie up now, and we get her on good ground anyway. That's solid ground. That's the main thing. Yeah, I knew with the waters she'd be flowing wet anyway, so that's the main thing. So if you remember the video, I was up there last year. Now look, a lot of stuff is down there as well, so I don't know. Wait 1 sec. So I don't know if they've definitely cut it. It wasn't this flat last year, I don't think anyway. Not that I remember, but the video, I have a video on it anyway, so I'll throw it up there. Yeah, it was a really cool place. An old mill, Delahunty's mill if I remember correctly, and yeah, that was up a bit, or that was a bit lower, so I could nearly walk across it. But handy, isn't it? Clean the bottom of the boots, I cleaned them earlier. I never got to walk in the water. But yeah, that's a nice little waterfall there. Small, but it's a waterfall anyway. Beautiful day out here. You see the water trickling along there as well. It's a really gorgeous place. Really is. Like I said, it's under the tunnel there just by Jack Meads. Just be a bit careful if you're coming over here. You see when I come in, it's a bit tight, and if there are any cars flying down, so make sure you have a good view before you twist the throttle. And yeah, might have a little walk over there in a minute, or maybe not, we'll see. But yeah, we get the pick now, and then we'll head on a bit then. But it's a lovely place. I'm going to head from here now and meet up with my buddy Pa in a while. So I'll go to Jack Meads another day. We'll have a look at the old pub and stuff over there. But not now, it's very busy I'd say, with communions, confirmations, stuff like that. The old that pub is over there, so it's definitely worth having a look. For sure, but you can see how tight this corner is. Oh yeah, I forgot that shit. I don't know what was there. Was it 50, 40? I don't know. Oh, hopefully I don't get a fine now. I think it's 50 here, 60. Oh, let's have a look. Please God, it's 60. Oh, thank God. I think it's 60 anyway. Yeah. Let's have a look. Yeah. Woo! Thank God. My Pa's giving me a ring there now, so I'll pull in here. I'd say they're a tour group, I'd say. I know Hardy are having their day today. Walford Hardy Davidson are having an opening demo day, and they have Pan Americans and stuff like that as well. Going into the lads, they're actually really sound out in there. But anyway, yeah, I'd say that's a tour. I didn't see many Harley Davidsons there. They're all really touristy bikes, or tour bikes. So they had one person waiting and waving everyone through and stuff like that, so that was cool. And yeah, if you watch this video and you're on that tour, give me a shout, let me know it's you. I'm sure I waved at all of you anyway, or most of you. But yeah, heading in now to the city centre down by the park to meet Pa. You probably heard it there. I probably included the conversation because I was talking about the bikes there and talking to Pa at the same time as well, so it's all relative. But yeah, head into the park. I just have to go by the 3 ships there and get a picture of a phone box with the bike, so happy days. And I can get the fuel pump on the way home later on. It's been a while since I've been out with Gary or Pa, so just always nice to go spinning with the lads who got me into it in the first place. Well, they helped me with stuff, and obviously they're my best mates, so it's always a good day when you're out on the bike with the boys. That church as well intrigues me. You might have a look in there someday. I like that. Peace salute. It's funny, isn't it? I was saying it to Pa there that yeah, I need to get a picture of a phone box, and I can hear in his voice like, what? And he knows I do the road adventures, but sometimes he forgets, I would say. You know, when you're just telling him randomly going, yeah, I need to get a picture with a post box. Oh, Jeeps. Those Jeeps. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, respect. Love that Jeep. Oh, another Defender or Land Rover. Oh, them Jeeps, man. Need to get myself one of these for the next car. They are absolutely superb. Now away. Right, so we're gonna head out to Tramore anyway. The Irish rugby team bus pulled up there. I don't know whether it's the under 21s or whoever it is. Cool to see the bus though. Spring has sprung anyway. Cars all over the place and bikes everywhere. That was a very enjoyable spin. Got my locations in, catch up with Pa, haven't seen him in ages, and just a good spin in decent weather for once. So thanks very much for watching. Until the next time, Deise Rebel out.